Hello, my name is Arjun and I was the designer for this group. For me, there was no feedback given because I got full in all the phases for my design part. So right now I'll be talking about the code. I'll be describing about the code and the various classes. The first class we have is the encryptions util class. The purpose of this class is handles encryptions and decryptions of sensitive data using AES algorithms. It also manages key generation and storages. So its features are the encryption, decryption, key management, and emplacement implementation details. So the encryption slash decryption, which encrypts plain text and decrypts the encrypted data using AES. It also uses a 128-bit key for AES encryptions. Then we move on to key management. Key management generates random encryption keys and saves them to files. Loads keys from files, generating new ones if they don't exist. Separate keys for different purposes like password encryption and article encryption. And then the um, and then the encryption details, it encodes and decodes keys base64 or for file storage, dynamically creates keys to ensure secure randomized encryption. Now we move on to the group part, the next class called the group. The group class represents a group in the system and manages its members. The key features are its attributes, which is group name, which is the name of the group. Then special access, which indicates whether a group has special access to certain things. Then it also maintains a separate list for admins, instructors, and students. There's user management, which adds a user. And there is also, and some of the users will have certain privileges if they're admin, instructor, or student. There's remove user, which removes users from groups and updates their group membership, and the special access group, which is restricted access and only a few people can see it. Now we move on to the third class, which is the login class. The purpose of the class is a singleton class that manages system-wide operations like user authentication, group management, and backup, restore of help articles. The key features are user authentication, user management, group management, message and search query tracking, and backup restore. User authentication authenticates users using encrypted passwords, validates one-time OTPs for expiration. User management registers a new user with encrypted password, deletes users, resets their passwords, and retrieves all registered users and searches for the name by a username. Then the group management is creates, retrieves, adds, removes users from group, and deletes groups. And you can list all the groups in the system. Then the message and search query tracking tracks messages sent by users, records and retrieves search queries made by users. And the last one is backup and restore. Backup help articles accessible to the current user and restores the help articles from a backup file supporting merge or replace options. The fourth class I'll be talking about is the user class. The purpose of the user class is it represents the individual user, their details, their group membership, and interaction with the help articles. There are a couple of key features, which is the user attributes, group membership, help articles, messaging, and role check. User attribute stores user details like username, role, email, and name. It tracks OTP flags, account setup, and topic proficiency levels. Maintains a set of group names that the user belongs to. Supports adding and removing groups from a membership. Manages a list of help articles authored by or accessible to the user. Supports searching, filtering, adding, updating, removing articles. Messaging allows users to send messages within the system. And role check is to check if the user is an admin or an instructor. And the last one I like to talk about is the user interface. The user interface supports the JavaFX GUI, supports the GUI, and it has a role for the dashboards and interacting with the system. The key features are login screen, the registration screen, role selection screen, student homepage, instructor dashboard, and admin dashboard, and the various helper methods it has. So the login screen allows users to log in with credentials, register a user as an admin, redirect to registration or role selection screen based on account status. Registration screen enables users to complete account setup by entering details and selecting topic proficiencies. Then role selection allows users to reselect their role, admin, instructor, or student, and navigate to the corresponding dashboard. Student homepage provides a simplified view for searching articles and sending messages. Instructor dashboard includes advanced features like article management, add, edit, delete, and group management, and it allows for instructors to search and filter help articles. Admin Dashboard offers a full system control, including user management, group management, article management, viewing messages, backup and restore. And the various helper methods support adding, searching, display articles, details, and handling backup and restore through file dialogues. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.